Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Groupon. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. We go here. In this page you will search about Groupon and you will enter. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Groupon and you will enter. And here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.